We are in first alert weather mode tonight. Chief Meteorologist Mike Everett is tracking a wet morning commute.
I'm telling you, if there was ever a morning to maybe just stay home, maybe work from home or call in sick, I'd be happy to write you a note. Tomorrow morning is going to be the day to do that. Let's start our story right now in Westport, where I will attempt to show you a live look at what's happening out there. It is raining steadily and heavily there, and more is on the way. So just to reiterate, it's going to be an active night as that storm system moves on shore. Winds will get up to about 50 miles an hour near the coast, 30 miles an hour inland, and I do expect it to be an ugly commute tomorrow morning with the potential for some isolated power outages. Now, to compound things, first day of classes tomorrow at UW, so expect some delays there as a bunch of 18 to 22-year-olds are searching for parking spots. It's going to be cool, it's going to be breezy throughout the day, and the rain will come and go. So there's the system. It's still off the coast. You can see all that lightning on the back end of it. I showed you this earlier, but it bears repeating. That's going to move right overhead tonight. Again, we're not talking about anything super dangerous here. It's just going to be rough and wet and windy tomorrow. Second system moves in and dives down towards the south, and that's going to keep us wet through Thursday. Now, the wind so far has gusted up to about 30-35 miles an hour near Oak Harbor, but tomorrow morning, especially in the southwest interior, we'll see gusts in the 30 to 40 mile an hour range, and that is enough to bring some tree limbs down. Remember, it's early in the season, so we haven't seen a lot of leaves and limbs come down yet. That could create some pooling and ponding on the roads as well. Right around 10:30, we see those winds sustained, sticking in the 30 mile an hour range, and by the time we get into the evening, it will become more zonal and calm a little bit, but it will stay breezy throughout the day. We need that rain, and we're going to get right over top of the Central Cascades, where we're under severe drought right now, but Renton could pick up another inch as well. Coast looks like it could pick up about another half inch as well, but this system is going to move fairly quickly. Overnight tonight, that rain starts to become steady and heavy across the region. This is 6 o'clock in the morning. We're seeing heavy rain over the Seattle Metro, the Kitsap Peninsula, the southwest interior, and Olympia. This is 8:30. Now it becomes really heavy down towards the southern portion of the I-5 corridor and the northern portion of the I-5 corridor, especially up towards Skagit and Snohomish counties. Fast forward to about 10 a.m., we're going to start to see some of that lift over the Seattle Metro and Tacoma, but it will move up into the mountains. By midday, now we've seen that completely move up into the mountains. Still seeing some rain down towards the southwest interior, Pierce and Thurston counties. By 2 p.m., now we start to quiet down, but look at this. In the afternoon, we pick up some convergence-based showers that will drive up both Stevens and Snoqualmie Pass until about 7 p.m. before it finally starts to calm down, so it could be a wet evening commute as well. That second component comes through on Thursday, keeps us wet throughout the day, but then finally, late Thursday night, we will see things start to clear, and we will be blessed by a wonderful weekend. Again, timing is everything. By the time we get into Friday morning, the sun comes back out again, and we will stay warm and dry through the weekend before another system moves in on Monday.